Yo, welcome back, guys. This on our weekly analysis on the euro dollar and the DSY. So I'm gonna take it slowly, and then we could see that from the weekly time frame, we are currently bearish on the euro USD price traded into that fair value gap above, sweeping this old high and then sweeping liquidity, which is a buy side liquidity, and then we are trading downward. On top of that, we got this break of structure right here, and then you could see that price has just retested that area, and then we are dropping currently. Now, here is the catch. It's a little bit tricky for me, which means I'm going to stay away from the chart today, even though the overall weekly time frame is telling me that price is currently bearish, but I need to see overall confirmation to want to sell the euro dollar. For example, if you come to the daily time frame, you could see that we have a lot of buying pressure from this point right here. So many buying pressure, then all of a sudden sellers took control from this point right here. Why? Because we are on a bearish territory, which is a seller's territory, right? So what I'm more concerned about is that on the daily time frame, we have this fair value gap right here, which price has traded into, and then we are rejecting that zone already. Okay, and then I dropped to the 4-hour time frame. On dropping to the 4-hour time frame, I would consider this to be a shifting market structure right here. You see this whole dealing range from this point where the sellers took over to this point right here. You could see that we traded above 75% of that area. Now, what makes it a little bit tricky is that we have a break of structure to the upside. You can see we have, let me check that out. We have this break of structure to the upside, which means the higher time frame point of interest is bearish, but the 4-hour, which is the lower time frame, is telling us that price is about to go bullish, right? And then you can see we have this fair value gap, but the other side we could use this other block right here as the middle of that fair value gap. It's a strong area to hold price. But well, since the higher time frame is telling me the price is bearish, definitely I'm not looking for a sell opportunity, right? I'm not looking for a buying opportunity. I mean to say, I'm waiting for a selling opportunity, right? So now, here is what I'm going to do. I have two options. It's either price trades above this place, giving me a break of structure, something like this. If this falls down and goes up, then I know that there is a change in delivery in price. There's a change in state of delivery of price. But if price fails to do that and then break below, then I would love to use this as a resistant area to take price lower. So today is Monday, no need to rush. Whenever you're confusing the market, it is better to wait. On Tuesday is another day to trade. So probably Tuesday I'll get a better structure because the market is just starting to create whatever it's about to do. So slowly we'll take a good look at that. And then don't forget, from the weekly time frame, we have a fair value gap resting above, right? So if price breaks above that high on the 4-hour time frame, then it's a confirmation that we are currently going to fill in that fair value gap, this fair value gap right here. And on doing that, price is going to clear all of this liquidity right here. So it's a little bit tricky for me. So I'll wait, and then tell me what you think in the comment section. if you're bearish or you're bullish. But don't forget that the weekly time frame is overall bearish, and the higher time frame always win the race, right? So guys, let me know on the comment section what you think.